Welcome back to the Hillbilly RV channel. Today we got one I thought was going to be a different story. These folks called and yesterday, I guess, and they said they had a brand new service put in for their 30 amp camper and now things ain't working. Well, actually they said their surge protector said they had reverse polarity, and I immediately pretty much knew what was going on. Brand new service. So they hired an electrician to put in a 30 amp service. Well, if an electrician doesn't have camper experience, when he's told a 30 amp receptacle, his mind's automatically going to go 220 because it's for a dryer or whatever. It's not the electrician's fault, other than maybe he should just ask a few questions. And he should know that campers, 30 amp campers, are 110 volt. But it's neither here nor there. Get here, and sure enough, that's what happened. But they had already plugged the camper in. They didn't listen to the surge guard, and family members like, well, just do it. The surge guard's bad or whatever. Just plug the camper in. Well, I'm afraid they fried a bunch of stuff. So now I'm going to double check this panel box and its receptacle. Make sure it's all wired correctly now. Now, I was told that the electrician had came out the day before and fixed this receptacle, and it was wired correctly now. And then once we check this out, you're going to be surprised what I find, I think. Once we do that, then we'll see what all is blowed up in the camper.
You got your own YouTube channel?
Yeah, it's Hillbilly RV.
Okay, that's going to be awesome. I'm definitely going to, now when I got to fix something, I'm going to first look at there and be like, I did a video on this.
There you go. Alright, I'm just going to get this cover off this panel box here. Like I say, supposedly it was fixed. They took the, supposedly they took both the hot wires off this 30 amp breaker, and they did not. So I believe that receptacle is still going to be wired 220. I'm going to go ahead and just, can I kill all this power?
Yep, absolutely.
I'm just going to go ahead and kill all this power in here. Because this is the only thing that's hooked up here, I'm assuming. So the trailer's not even hooked up anymore?
No, the trailer's not even hooked up anymore.
Okay. Alright, so let me go over here in the receptacle. Take the receptacle apart. Let's see what color wires are going where over here. So we got red and the black and the green wired into the receptacle, and the red and the black go to this 2-pole breaker right there. So it's still wired 220. So what we have to do is that white wire back there, we're gonna have to take that off the ground, put it on the correct place here on this 30 amp receptacle, because it's already on the neutral bar over here, which is good. We just need to take it off that ground bar and put it on the receptacle in the correct place, and we have to take one of these hot wires off. Let's see here. I might have to get a receptacle out of the truck so I can see which one's supposed to be the neutral and which one's supposed to be the hot. The ground's marked. but I don't see where these two terminals are marked. So let me go get a receptacle out of the truck and we'll get this stuff all figured out. Alright, I went and got a receptacle out of the truck. This one has silver and gold screws, so we know what's what. So the one on the left here should be the neutral. So let's get that black hot wire off of there. Neutral pulled around there. We'll just tape. We'll end up just taping this black one off because we're going to unhook it off the breaker too. Hopefully they didn't make that white wire too short. Nah, should be good. Go ahead and come over here in this panel box and get that black wire off the breaker also. Because that's what makes it, you know, two 110 volt legs makes 220. So we'll tape this off. We'll tape this off. Get our white wire put where it belongs, and this out here should be done. Now we gotta go inside the camper and see what all's blowed up in there. Believe it or not, do not like to be plugged into 220 volt. That wire wasn't even tight. You see that red wire pull out? I think an uncle or something's been in here after the electrician left. So that's probably why some of this stuff's loose. Well, I just put that black wire right back in there. We need the white wire under that screw. And then we have to put the red wire back. Because it came loose on us. Might as well check the ground while we're in here. Yeah, it was tight. Alright, let me go get some tape. Tape these two black wires off, and then we'll carry on. Black wires capped off. Black wires capped off over here. Receptacles put back together. Now, we can't do any damage here that hasn't already been done. So we're going to go ahead and just plug the surge protector back in and plug the camper in and see if our surge protector now doesn't say that we have reverse polarity, which I kind of expect it won't. Turn the breakers back on, and we now have green lights. So the surge protector's happy. I'm just afraid there's a lot of stuff in the camper that's not going to be happy. And so we're going to go inside. We know it got the converter. It always gets the converter. I'm not going to take you inside. I've got plenty of converter videos. These folks have 4 little ones, and right now they're being quiet, but I wouldn't expect them to be quiet for too long. And so I'm not going to take you inside, but we're going to go in here and figure out what all's not working, what all's blowed up, and Then I'll report back when we're finished, when we find out what all doesn't work. Well, all right, well, we got them all fixed up. The power straightened out. It got the converter, which it always gets the power converter. Like I say, if you want to see how I diagnose those and replace those, I'll put a link to one of those videos right up here. Never know which side. And so you can watch that. And it ended up getting the heating element for the refrigerator, the 110 volt heating element for the refrigerator. So we replaced that, and we're just waiting to see if it heats up now. Don't y'all get heated up. Get down in that comment section. Leave me a comment, a criticism, a concern. It's my day off. I'm not going to go work on another one. But you all can have a fantastic day. We'll catch you on the next one. Oh, yeah. How'd y'all like those professionally done videos? Did y'all like those? I don't think that's going to become a thing in the future. It just kind of worked out that way. But I mean, I don't know. If y'all like them enough, maybe it will become a thing. Who knows? Who knows what the future holds? Catch y'all later.